Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creations. Today I am drawing Angry Birds. Let's draw and color together. Do you know about Angry Birds? Angry Birds is a fun game where colorful birds try to knock down structures and naughty pigs. Kids use slingshots to launch the birds and enjoy solving playful puzzles. Thanks for joining the fun today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. See you soon in the next video. Chroma Kids.